Good day, my students. Let's just jiggle our brain. Let's just jiggle our brain to do one or two things, just to serve as a reminder and to keep ourselves busy while staying at home. We are going to look at atomic structure, and at the same time, we are going to look at the atom itself. The atom is the building block of matter. And matter is anything that has weight and occupy space. Anything, just anything. We can classify matter into three major categories, three major classes. The classes are the solid, the liquid, and the gases. These are the three major classes of matter. And we said atoms are the building block of matter. So atoms are the building blocks of all this solid, liquid, and gases. Before the atom assume the present structure it has now, it has passed through various modifications from different great scientists, starting from John Dalton through JJ Thomson, through Ernest Rutherford, through Bohr, and finally Erwin Schrödinger. John Dalton proposes his own atomic model. After some years, we discover some shortfalls in the model of John Dalton. So also is JJ Thomson. JJ Thomson was able to discover the proton and the electron. In fact, he discovered the electron before the proton using his cathode ray tube experiment. Still, with time, the position of these particles were not known, but eventually people like JJ Thomson, as at that time, he proposes that, including Ernest, he proposes that the atom is made up of a central nucleus with a proton in the nucleus and a neutron in the nucleus, and an electron revolving around the nucleus. The knowledge about the neutron didn't come in good time because it has no charge. The proton is positively charged, the electron is negatively charged. So it can easily be determined when you subject the particle into an electrical field and a magnetic field. It is very easy for you to determine whether a particular particle is a proton or an electron. But however, the moment that particle is a neutral particle, it becomes difficult. That is why it takes some little time before neutron is discovered as a subatomic particle. But however, all these people played a role in determining the structure of an atom. Ernest Rutherford performed his experiment using a gold-foiled paper, and Erwin Schrödinger finally proposes the orbital. They were not. The shortfalls from JJ Thomson and Ernest Rutherford and Noel Bohr structure of the atom was taken care of by Broglie, and Ernest Schrödinger. This time around, they consider electron, which is a subatomic particle, to have dual nature. That is, you can view it as a particle, and you can also view it as a wave. And on that note, Schrödinger was able to formulate an equation which he used in determining the structure of an atom. In my subsequent lecture to my noble students, we'll be able to take each of these model one after the other. We elucidate it, and it also helps us to see the tremendous work that was done and people are still doing on this great building block of matter, which is atom. Thank you very much for listening.